Hey everybody, welcome back to Corsair live videos. Today I want to show you my new sign, but today I'm going to show you a quick tips and tricks how to get your wheels clean. Okay, so we need a couple things. This is what we use. You don't have to have a specific brand of a wheel cleaner, but you need to know what kind of material your wheels are. For example, try not to breathe that in, ideally. So, for example, we use a non-acidic wheel cleaner. I highly recommend a non-acidic, no wheel acid. If you're not familiar with how wheel acid works, don't use it because you will mess things up. So, non-acidic wheel cleaner that you can actually leave on the surface for a little bit to dwell and to work. We're also using APC, which stands for all-purpose cleaner. So this longer type of brush. We usually use it to clean the wheel wells, okay? With the small brushes, small detailing brushes, they have to be soft and they also have to be clean. Because if you have any type of gravel or something like that, you know, some little pieces of dirt in a brush, you can obviously scratch the rims. And remember one thing, if you have black wheels, do not use these brushes because they will scratch the black surface, the wheel surface, and then you will see markings. And with the time, they're just gonna look really bad. So this is how we do it. We just go around the wheel. Don't add too much pressure. Keep it pretty wet. Go up and down around the gauge here. Okay. It's pretty easy. Again, if you clean your wheels, let's say once a month, sometimes once every 2 months, you're not gonna have that much of a brake dust problem. For some cars, the bigger the brake caliper is, the harder it is to get wheel woolly through, okay? So what we do then, this is called EZ brush. This is a brush that we can get really deep inside and clean those barrels, clean them up. So we scrape it, like we kind of go past it, and then, you know, like kind of crisscross it to cover the bigger area, okay? We go around and carry on. So this is how we scrub the wheel barrel. Okay. We go around. Oh. We go around here. So this is with this action. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to remove as much as dirt behind these pillars. This is harder brush. These are from AutoZone. They're about $5. Pay a bit of product on it, and just scrub the rubber. Soft wheel brush, you can just go over the faces one more time. Okay, and now we're just gonna rinse it. Start from like a little bit far away, don't. Now if you still see some dirt, what you can do is you can get your power a little bit closer, you know. But you don't want to go you don't really want to go too close because this is 2000 psi. You can actually mess up the clear coat, you know, or some other parts on the car. So you want to kind of keep it probably about maximum, but the closest probably about a foot away, and just rinse it off. And this is, my friends, how you clean wheel.